21st Annual Britannia Filmfare Awards, a big night, a celebration of films, fashion, glamour, the good old Bollywood. I'm Sakhi Deshpande.
And I am Aarti Yadav. And we are going to take you through all the fun and all the celebrities that we spoke to on this momentous night.
You know, all of them were in quite a jolly mood, Aarti, and dressed in their best as usual. But who did you think was the most well turned out of them all?
You know, it's usually the ladies with their elaborate hair, with their gowns and their makeup that take center stage. But this time the men weren't far behind either. I think it's you guys who should go and take a look.
With me on the red carpet is none other than SRK Shah Rukh Khan right here, the great host of the 61st Filmfare Awards right here. How's it going, Shah Rukh? How's the vibe inside and are you enjoying yourself?
Well, it's really nice. The main thing is that I think perhaps these are the first awards which have a live audience. The public who's come down to watch an award function, maybe the first time in India. So that's very interesting because you get really cool reactions because they've never watched this. So it's really nice. And it's huge, it's big, and Filmfare, as always, very, very entertaining, and hopefully I'll do a good job.
Absolutely, and Salman was performing as well. Did you catch his performance? How was it?
I did. I was actually waiting in the wings. I introduced him, and strangely and fortunately for me, I finished my stuff, changed my clothes, and I watched the whole performance. Yeah, fantastic.
Any favourites, of course, apart from your own film? Any favourites this year to take the best film trophy or any of the other trophies?
No, wrong for me to comment, but I think all the films that are nominated, you know, I've been reading nominations. I think Piku is fantastic. I think Bajirao Mastani is brilliant. I think Bajrangi Bhaijaan, you know, being an amazingly commercial film, but extremely relevant. And I may have missed out a few, but I think these three are really, really nice. And I think there's one more. Masaan is really wonderful. And if he was somehow not be making differentiations between commercial and realistic or artistic cinema, I think all the films which have been nominated, I think the nominations are really, really nice this time. Yeah.
Before I let you go, I'm so sorry.
Only the absolute last question. Well, come on.
No, but the absolute last.
I love you. And thank you very much and have a good time. This is my answer.
It's the 61st Filmfare Awards night. I'm sure you belong to a family which has film background. And is there any memories attached to the awards?
Honestly, for me, Filmfare will always be emotional and exciting and something that I'll hold close to my heart because जब मैं एक्टर नहीं था पहले व्यूअर था और ये एक अवार्ड है जो मैं देखते देखते बड़ा हुआ हूँ एक ख्वाहिश रही है कि इस अवार्ड का हिस्सा बन सकूँ to be a part of this award. So I'm very, very happy that I've been able to be part of it as an actor, not only as a viewer.
There's obviously Ranveer Singh who's been nominated. You two are extremely good friends. You know, is there anything you have to tell Ranveer? We do see the camaraderie that you...
I haven't seen his film. I think he wants to beat me up because of that. I have not seen Bajirao. Because I was in Argentina shooting. He's not. I was with him a couple of days back. We were in Etawah together, and he's very, very upset because I'd met him and he told me, please see it. I've not seen it. Yeah, at this point in time, that is the only reason I'm not talking too much about Bajirao because I'm not.
Who do you think will take the Black Lady home tonight? There's obviously Deepika who's being appreciated for her performance.
Kangana was fantastic this year. Of course, Deepika's just become so consistent with her work. So yeah, they would have to be the forefront contenders this year, in all fairness, in terms of the quality of work that they do.
Well, we haven't seen Parineeti in this avatar before for sure. Parineeti extremely svelte. All the
clothes avatar.
Who are you wearing? I see a hint of leather here. I see, amazing gown. Who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Shiv and Naresh, and their new collection is quite sexy and quite cool. And I never had access to those kind of clothes, so this time I was like, come on, give it to me.
You are obviously carrying a clutch. Relax. What is that all about?
No, it's just a coincidence. This is what they made. No, I think it's just for myself.
We had some amazing performances this year. There was Ranveer, Mr. Bachchan.
I would love for Deepika to win for Piku. It was my favorite film last year, but also Bajrangi Bhaijaan. I would love it if Salman wins.
With me on the red carpet is none other than Fawad Khan. Fawad, an amazing filmfare ongoing right now inside the auditorium. How is the feeling like? How's the vibe like? You're here for the second time now?
Yep. I've been Then very thankful to them for having invited me, for having me here. It's electrifying inside. The atmosphere is electrifying. As before, it's a star-studded night. There's so many stars out there that it is. Aankhein beech rahi hain.
Kapoor and Sons is underway. You know, you guys are going to start promotion soon. How excited are you?
I'm very excited. I'm very excited. And as before, I think at the time of Khoobsurat as well, I see things nearing an end, and it kind of makes me sad. So it's a bittersweet feeling.
Look who we bumped into on the red carpet, the very gorgeous Athiya Shetty at the 61st Filmfare Awards. Right here, I'm sure you have lots of memories about Filmfare. Tell us one of them.
Actually, this is my first Filmfare ever.
Are you serious?
So every year it's like an annual thing. Me and my friends get together and every Sunday we watch Filmfare. So for me to actually be here is a really surreal feeling and I'm super duper excited.
Absolutely. And how much time did it take for you to put the look together, to get ready today?
About like an hour and a half.
Wow.
Not bad. Not bad. My hair doesn't stay, so for this little thing, it took like half an hour.
Athiya, it's been interesting nominations this time, and in the Best Actress category, there's so many favorites. There's so many strong performances. As you as a young star must be looking up to so many of them. Who are you rooting for the most?
Deepika Padukone. All the way. Because I think she truly deserves every award possible right now because she's worked so hard. You can tell her hard work on screen, whether it's Bajirao, whether it's Piku. She's beautiful and the way she carries herself, I've always admired her.
It's excellent, you know, people are enjoying and it's the first time people have paid money to come to the awards. It will start a new kind of, you know, beginning and award will take, you know, it's kind of a format will change after this, and people want to pay to see film stars, and that's you know, that's a kind of, you know, you can see that how people are eager to see film stars.
Talwar, one of the most important films of the year, has been nominated in so many categories. It's won appreciation all throughout. Any thoughts on that? And any expectation?
Oh yes, it was a film which, when I saw the first cut, I thought, you know, it's a film which is very, very new to Indian audience. Why new? Because it's loaded with information. It's loaded with you know, constant changing of incidents. You know, it's loaded with so much of information. And I was not sure whether the audience will cope up with it or not. And I was really pleasantly surprised how the audience lapped it up.
You have just shot with Tom Hanks recently for Ron Howard's Inferno. How was that experience like?
Beautiful. I would just say beautiful. And also just not just because of it was Inferno, it was because of Ron Howard and also because of Tom Hanks. You don't see actors in that space. Tom Hanks is an actor which is in a space which is it's like enviable. Be in a space where he's secure, just, you know, chooses stories which he wants to choose, and beautiful as a person.
Well, I'm wearing Nachiket Barve, and this is his lovely design, which he's designed for me, and I'm very, very happy with it. I think it looks so beautiful and elegant, and it's, I think, perfect for the Filmfare Awards.
Any specific memory, you know, any special memory with Filmfare that you can recall?
I think so many, you know, like I've said before with lots of people, I've started my career in a way with Filmfare. My first award for my lifetime was Filmfare in the South, and when I came to Bollywood as well, I got the debut award. So I think मेरे लिए बहुत special है, and I've always had a soft spot for Filmfare, and it's got a lovely spot in my house. So I absolutely love coming back here.
Well, these stars are always well turned out, aren't they, Sakhi? But this time they have definitely upped their fashion quotient.
And it wasn't just about the style, because we caught the stars in their quirkiest moments and we had some selfie fun with them too. So you guys go catch that.
if you had to take home this black lady home tonight, how would you express your happiness through a selfie?
Fawad, the last time I met you at Filmfare, you had won the best male debut. This time, you're not winning a black lady, but in case you won a black lady tonight, how would you express your feeling through a selfie? You won a black lady.
Selfie, I'll just make a video. I knew this would happen.
नहीं मेरा ही है.
ऑन करो ना.
साइड से.
तुम्हारे बॉस के मैसेजेस पढ़ते हो. नहीं मैसेज पढ़ते हो ना. What selfie with me? I want to see your WhatsApp.
अरे that's not working. I've switched that off.
SMS.
वो है पर
बहुत बड़ी गलती की तुमने ये मुझे हाथ में देके.
कोई बात नहीं. You hand over a phone to me. Maybe you could switch.
अच्छा. जान जाए पर फोन ना जाए. क्या फोटो लेनी है आपके लिए?
Just an expression that how would you express your happiness?
The video, like we just like jump in and be like, yeah! We like completely like this.
Ready?
One. Bhumi is nominated, but let's say if you were to hypothetically get the black lady tonight, how will you express your happiness through a selfie?
Here you go. Click. Flash your dimples, flash your dimples. Yeah, here you go.
My black lady, I think I'll just keep kissing it and just like not leave it.
से मिली दिल में उठा दर्द करारा.
If Filmfare were to go international at some point in time, who do you think out of all the international stars deserves to get the black lady?
Oh, so many of them, yeah. I think Meryl Streep to start with. You should just give it to her before you even announce going international. Yeah, Meryl Streep, yeah.
I've loved Matt Damon in The Martian, so I would definitely probably do that.
Jennifer Lawrence for Joy and Leonardo DiCaprio for Revenant.
There's so many.
You.
Come on. No.
You.
Not joking.
You.
Definitely Leonardo DiCaprio deserves one. After never getting an Oscar, it's time to get a Filmfare.
If Filmfare had to go international, and if there was any one Hollywood celebrity that you think deserved the Filmfare award this year, who would that be?
Oh my God, it's gotta be Leo.
Getting the Filmfare.
Al Pacino.
I mean, I think Leonardo DiCaprio should get a black lady because, yeah, isn't he really good?
Leonardo DiCaprio is just one of my favorites. I think Leonardo DiCaprio.
Don't say Leo because everyone else has said Leonardo.
I mean, I guess like I can't think of anybody else.
You.
Oh, come on. No.
You.
Not joking.
You.
I mean, yeah, him.
At the time while I was doing the film, everyone questioned my decision and my choice of doing the film, and I'm glad that I stuck with what I believed at that point and what I thought was right.
I feel amazing about this because my family was here to witness this. It was an incredible moment, one that I will never ever forget.
It's that one award night everyone in the industry looks forward to every year. The important words are, and the black lady goes to...
Exactly, the winner takes it all. And I got chatting with the stars backstage who took the big awards home. Man of the moment, man of the night, Ranveer Singh, the first black lady that you will be taking home as the lead actor. What is the feeling right now, Ranveer?
I'm on top of the world. Yeah. I'm feeling something that's quite indescribable, really. I feel amazing about this because my family was here to witness this. I'm so happy, one of the happiest moments of my life.
Right. We usually see Ranveer with all his quirks, but today we see a very somber, like a very calmed down Ranveer Singh.
Not at all. You should have been there inside when the show was going on.
Where's the party, Ranveer?
I don't know. I'm going to plan it.
You are the winner tonight. What happens to the jig? I mean, there has to be a winner's jig, right?
Yeah, of course.
So why don't we see some of Ranveer Singh's moves?
somewhere deep down inside, I definitely feel very, very special that this black lady in my hand tonight is for a film like Piku. Because I remember at the time while I was doing the film, everyone questioned my decision and my choice of doing the film, and I'm glad that I stuck with, what I believed. 3 times over now, this is my 3rd Filmfare, so I'm very, very happy, and I don't think I'm going to be able to sleep tonight. I think she's going to be right next to me.
Ranveer won Best Actor award. There's another celebration from the Bajirao team. In fact,
so well deserved. Yes, very, very well deserved. In fact, I feel a little left out that I won. So that's the flip side to it. While I won for Piku, I feel left out that I didn't win for Bajirao.
Well, 9 seems to be the lucky number. You won Filmfare after 9 years, and also 9 nominations and 9 awards, in fact, for Bajirao Mastani. What is the feeling, Mr. Bhansali?
No, my astrologer told me 9 is my lucky number, and I today want to believe him totally, fully, and completely. It's a wonderful feeling for a film like Bajirao Mastani, which is a very difficult film to make. I've tried making it for the last 12 years.
Well, one of the most special awards on the Filmfare night has to be the Lifetime Achievement Award. I am joined by Maushmi ma'am. Maushmi ma'am, congratulations. A black lady in your hand, Lifetime Achievement Award awarded by the industry, by the Filmfare.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. At last मुझे मिला तो सही, देर से ही सही. और देखिए, ऐसे तो लोग बहुत सारे यादगार होती है कि इतने सालों मैं फिल्म लाइन में रही और काम किया. शुक्रिया अदा करना अगर चाहूँ तो लिस्ट ख़त्म नहीं होगी. तो मैं फिल्म फेयर को थैंक यू कहती हूँ.
Piku has been, it was lauded across the board, from the critics to the audiences. Everybody just loved the movie, loved the performances of everybody. Yours was one of the most talked about.
आज मुझे लगता है कि पीकू करके मैंने अच्छा ही किया है. जब मैं नाना कर रही थी सुजीत को, तो मुझे लग रहा था कि क्या करूँ मैं. लेकिन उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, मुझे आपके साथ तो काम करना है. फिर मेरी बेटी पायल, मेघा, दे ऑल टोल्ड मी कि माँ, डू इट बिकॉज यू ओनली नो दिस जॉब. देन ऑफ कोर्स आई नो अदर जॉब्स ऑल्सो. झगड़ा करना, खाना बनाना, बहुत सारे काम आता है, लेकिन दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस वन. सो दे टोल्ड मी, बट I did it, but I never knew what I missed actually, and people really missed me. That is really nice.
This kind of a commercial award environment, when an unusual film like Piku gets recognized by the jury and the Filmfare and the audience, it really feels it's a privilege. It's an honor that they have acknowledged our film.
I have with me Anil Kapoor winning the Best Supporting Actor for Dil Dhadakne Do.
All the best actors, you pitched against all the best actors like Nawazuddin, Deepak, and Sanjay Mishra. I'm a huge fan of all these actors, and I said, why have they put me in this category? So it's good to win with such great actors.
How many black ladies do you have at your home?
My sixth.
Well, the best debut female, I have with me Bhumi. Very overwhelmed, Bhumi, happy. I mean, I see you doing a very nice jig.
I'm actually still recovering from 5-10 minutes ago, but I'm extremely overwhelmed. I've literally waited for this moment all my life. I was a child when I decided I want to be an actor, and there's nothing better, there's no better connect for a general audience than Filmfare. And I've waited for this moment, and it's finally in my hands. So I'm really happy. I'm so excited. I'm just very happy, and it's pretty heavy. I think I'm just gonna hug my trophy and just love it. I'm just so happy. I need to be a little more contained because I'm at a public place and I'm with a lady.
Winning the Black Lady, Suraj, it is heavy, but also
very heavy. Actually, I'd seen this award at my director's office, at Nikhil Advani's office. I went to pick it up, and I said, "Nahi, the day I'll hold this award, it will be my own." And today I'm holding it, and it's heavy. It's really heavy.
About the Black Lady, tell me what are you going to do with this one now that you have? Where are you going to place it? In your bedroom or in your hall? Where is this lady going to go?
I have given all my awards to my parents, so it's at their house. I think it deserves to be where my parents live and where where my father sleeps. So I think it's going there. Yeah.
You sound extremely humble, but what about the excitement? I mean, come on, it's your first one.
I can't show it. I'm very excited. I'm going to party after this. I'm waiting for the after party so I can get rid of this jacket and I can actually have fun there.
What a night. Can't believe we are actually at the end of the 61st Filmfare Awards.
On that note, we would like to bid adieu. See you guys next year.